What they need, they don't come again. The VDPs are the very draining people. They drain you. After they talk to you, you are tired. When they leave, you say, thank God this person left. And the VIPs are the very
information reaching me now. I don't think they cute. And that's not good for my personality. If you look at my body fresh, look and well, all my body they build. All this is not good for my personality. The type of personality I want for myself be say, if I they come from far, only by my face when you see, we don't say that kind of wicked person, that can go there brutal, no type of personality I won't get. And if you go check my old videos and pictures, you go see her for them. I did very cute and fresh and handsome. But I don't want that type of personality.